To cancel your Sling TV subscription, start by visiting their homepage and signing in to your account. Once logged in, click on the user icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This will direct you to a page displaying details about your current subscription. Next, locate the option to cancel subscription and click on it. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for cancellation from the provided options. Once you've selected the reason and confirmed your choice, your subscription will be cancelled. Shortly afterward, you'll receive an email confirming the cancellation. Be sure to check your inbox to ensure the process was successful.